This is the DJI mic series camera adapter, and it's exclusively made for Sony cameras to connect your DJI mic on the hot shoe. So when you remove that over here, you got that connector that slide right here. You got a USB-C connection, and it's made for exclusively DJI Mic Mini and DJI Mic 3, and we can probably guess the next 4 and 5 and whatever that will come. So if you take that receiver, you see there is a USB-C connection here, so you connect it right there, and when you pick a mic like that and you see a green light right here, a steady one, it means that it is connected. If it's not, press and hold the link button here and here until they link. But now, as we can see, also that green light over here, this means that we are connected. And as you can see on the volume over here, you can see my voice. And if I do it with a finger, well, we can see that it is connected and it is working. So I hope this was helpful.